All right, guys, so we're about to hit the road, go pick this metal up. I'm actually sitting in the front yard because I don't want to film while going down the road. That's not safe. I will be doing a time warp kind of deal, pulling into the building, so that should be interesting. I like playing with that. It's a fun little feature on this GoPro. Hopefully the audio, again, I'm hoping the audio is good enough. Basically, I was in Walmart earlier picking up some things on the way back from the gym, and the man from Dillon called me. I picked up, he said, "Hey, your square tubing's in. You mean angle iron, right? I ordered angle." Hold on 1 second. And you hear him typing up on the computer. Comes back, say, "You did order angle." "Yeah, I got a stick in." Okay, so there was a little mix up. This is why I said you need to have your stuff wrote down. You need to repeat stuff when you're on the phone. You need to be 100% communication. I mean, everybody struggles with this, but communication is the big key to getting stuff done. You need to repeat a lot. Well, with the angle, I told you, I said I could have sworn the last time I bought angle iron was like 30, 35 bucks. Well, for a 1.5 by 1.5 by 1/8, it was 23 and some change. So big price difference. Not a big deal. He happened to have some on the shelf ready to go out the door. Told me I could swing by and pick it up when I'm ready. He has the pieces there that I need, which is just one piece, not a big of a deal. And so we're hitting the road. So I'm gonna hook you up, spin you around so you can see, and we're gonna hit the road. So one of the things I figured out on my last videos, anytime you're gonna do a through the window shot, like a time lapse, time warp, like we're getting ready to do for this road trip, it's a good idea to go ahead and clean the glass. All right, guys, so we're back here at the house, sitting back in the front yard, because again, I don't want to talk while going down the road. We talked earlier, and there was a mix up with the metal. Got there, I put the camera in the back glass. It was a sweet backing job, I know, yeah, great skills. Anyway, got it backed up, went inside, talked to them, made sure everything was correct. Because originally I thought they had, well, I thought they had charged me for the square tubing, And it turns out they just had my card information in the system. They hadn't actually charged it yet. So when I got there and signed for it, that's when they charged it, and they had the correct ticket with the correct piece of metal on it for the angle iron. It ended up being, with tax, 25 and some change. The paperwork's in here somewhere. I'm not gonna go digging for it right now. But I got it loaded up, got it all tied down. Got back in the vehicle when I found the camera off. I don't know what happened to the camera. I hadn't watched all the footage, but I saw up to the point where you saw me load it, and then I went back inside. I think it got that far. I went back inside to price some other stuff that I was looking to get into the future. Also, this thing was super, super hot. I know that's been an issue with some GoPros in the past, especially with the 4K coming out. It burns them up. Anyway, we're home. The metal's here. If you like the video, remember you can click anywhere in the bottom of the screen, that little red icon that says subscribe. Show some love, be a sub, hit the subscribe button. Leave me a thumbs up if you want. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, again, how much you pay for a piece of metal. Where do you get your metal from? What's your process of getting metal? Those of y'all that stick along with me know that I run a small welding business, so that was why I went and got this piece of metal, was for the welding business. If I was a bigger operation and I had constant jobs coming in, I'd like to make this trip maybe once, twice a week and pick up all the metal that I know that I need for the week. But a small operation like this, I have to pick the metal up as the jobs come in, and so that means a trip for every job. And so you have to price the job. You have to take that in consideration when you're pricing the job. It's a little bit of a pain. It takes up, shoot, I probably spent, by the time I loaded the trailer, got back here, I'm between an hour, a little over an hour. Anyway, hey guys, just want to point out one more thing. If you like what we're doing, follow along on Instagram. You can catch me at that guys with an S 1 channel on Instagram. Check it out, follow along. You'll get an update of what I'm doing before I post it up on YouTube, so you'll kind of have an idea of what's coming out. And that's my best way of communicating. I love Instagram. So follow along, go on Instagram if you can, follow me, and catch you next time. Y'all have a good one.